That was good with y'all boys, man. I'm tired as hell, bro. Y'all only know what I just went through to get these damn headlights. These headlights was buried under like all of that shit in there in that fucking garage, bro. But what's good with y'all boys though, man? Today we back. We got another banger, man. We about to install these smoked out headlights onto this Dodge Charger RT, the reindeer edition. You know what the fuck going on? It's a real simple and easy process. We about to get into it right now. I'm actually gonna install these, and then probably like in a couple weeks, I'm gonna end up having another video because I really want to put my spec Ds on here, but they on my other charger currently, and I don't have that bitch right now. So you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna end up putting my spec Ds on here eventually, but for right now, we're just gonna go with the smoked ones, just cause they black. And I'm finna get ready to do like a full chrome delete on this bitch. I'm about to start doing mods and shit now. It is starting to, you know what I'm saying? It is gonna be cold in a minute. Like, I'm about to debadge all of this, the Hemi, and then the little RT. I'm debadging all of this today. Y'all see the R already came off right here. I'm debadging all of this today. It's probably gonna be a separate video if I do make a video on it. But yeah, I am doing all of that today, and I'm gonna end up tinting the tail lights eventually. But yeah, man, right now I'm about to get into it. I really don't think it's gonna be no tutorial. It's just gonna be more so me showing y'all me doing it. Cause I'm not really that good at giving tutorials, but I don't know, I could try. Obviously though, first thing you gotta do is pop the motherfucking hood. And I'm gonna just show y'all like what you gotta do. Like I said, it's not gonna really be no tutorial though, bro, cause I'm not really that good at tutorials. That bitch, ignore how dirty the bay is, you know what I'm saying? But first step is you have to take this off. So I'm about to do that. You're also supposed to, you're also supposed to unhook your battery, but I'll be all right, probably. I got so many fucking batteries in the garage, bro. Like, I'll be all right. But basically, this right here, you just pop these up, like these. Just pull that bitch out just like that. Same thing to the other side. Just pop it up. I done did this shit so many times, y'all. I done changed headlights on so many chargers. Like, bro, I don't even gotta like think about it no more. Next up is gonna be popping these clips out. These bitches cheap. Y'all see my hands. I might go get some gloves, but these bitches cheap. So be careful, cause you will break these bitches if you don't. But I'm about to go get some gloves though, and I'm about to tap back in with y'all. All right, y'all, we back. We got the motherfucking gloves on, but I can't find my clip popper right now. I can't find like most of my shit, the shit I need, to be honest. So this video either A, gonna take all day, or B, you know what I'm saying? Ain't no B. Nigga, either I'm gonna find that shit or this shit gonna take all day. Or I'm gonna have to go buy some new ones, which I really don't wanna do. But this right here, bro, like I said, you just pop these out. I can't find my clip popper. But these you just pop out. And after I pop these out, I'm gonna get back to y'all again. I'm gonna just loosen them all. Damn. This fucking thick ass screwdriver. These actually like some fairly new clips though. My other charger don't even have these bitches, right? That bitch, nah, them bitches gone. I don't know where them bitches at. But yeah, bro, I'm about to pop these out, and then I'm gonna get back to y'all when I do. All right, y'all boys, it wasn't easy, my nigga, but y'all see what you do. Got all the clips out, right there, right there, right there. Y'all see the bumper, you know what I'm saying? It gets play now, type shit. So the next step is literally, come over here, and then this clip right here, and then that clip down there, we gotta pop them out. And then it's a screw. I don't know if y'all can really see that. It's a screw right there. That screw, and then there should be another one like down here somewhere. Them the two screws that's holding the bumper to the frame. And after you take them out, I'm gonna take them out on both sides. And after I take them out, then I'm gonna pick the camera back up. But after you take those 4 screws out total, it should only be 4, I think. But after you take the 4 screws out total, then the bumper, it just come right off. You'll be able to just take the bumper off. And then you better get to the headlights. So I'm gonna get back to y'all as soon as I get the bumper off. All right, so as y'all can see here, go to bumper right here. Shout out to my nigga Rudolph. We do have the bumper off. So now it's the part with these screws. I believe they are, these ones is 8mm. And then I forgot to tell y'all, but the ones on the back that's actually holding the bumper in is a 10 millimeter, but these ones are 8 millimeter. Basically, you just screw these two, and then it's, well, here it go right there. So it's only 3 screws right here. Basically, you unscrew them 3, and then the light come right out. Also, when you're taking off your bumper, don't forget that your fog light's connected to it, because, you know what I'm saying, if you take it off too fast, you'll rip your fog lights. And I don't know who the hell wired this, but also really don't care, you know what I'm saying? That's hey, as long as that bitch work. But yeah, man, I'm gonna get back with y'all as soon as I take them screws out and get the lights out. All right, y'all, my bad, I was wrong. It's actually 4 screws. It's another screw like in the back, but I already took that bitch out. But now I'm about to show y'all. Now y'all see the headlight is no longer, you know what I'm saying, attached to the vehicle. So now what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to take all of these out. This, you just twist and pull out. You don't have to unhook that. This one, you could just pull out like that. This one, I think you do pull off. This one, you do it detach. Detach, nigga said detach. But yeah, but the other two, though, you just pull out. I'm saying you twist and pull, and they come right out. And you'll be G, unless you got some new bulbs, but I don't. But I'm about to pull this out, and then I'm gonna pick the camera back up and show y'all. All right, my nigga, easy as pie. I just pulled that bitch out. Bro, I just said easy as pie. That was the lamest shit I ever said in my life. I promise y'all niggas, I don't say shit like that, bro. Like the video just cause I said that lame shit, my fault. But I just pulled that bitch out, you know what I'm saying? Easy as motherfucking 1, 2, 3, and then boom, you know what I'm saying? We got the first headlight out. Now, he's gonna set this to the side. And I am debadging my cars today, like I said, so I'm taking this bullshit off too. I don't like that. I wish I had the black insert today, but I don't. I think that's gonna have to wait, but here go the other headlight. We actually not gonna, I'm gonna actually take the other one out first, because then I'm gonna have to change the ratchet and all that other shit. So after I take this out, I'm gonna get back to y'all when I'm putting this one in. I'm not gonna show y'all how to take that out, but I'm gonna get back to y'all when I'm putting this one in though. All right, so we got both headlights out. I'm about to show y'all just how to connect these, how to not wire, but you know what I'm saying, connect the fucking headlight. I know what I'm trying to say, bro. Damn, I'm tired as hell. Basically, I think this one goes in here. This is the blinker, I believe. The motherfucking time. It'd be hard to do this shit with one hand, bro. I'm trying to record and shit, but basically, like, yeah, that go in there like that. You just turn it and then it lock in there. And then this one goes in here. Bro, it's so hard trying to record and do this shit. But boom, you know what I'm saying, you just, basically you lock them in there the same way you took them out. And then this one, obviously plugs into that, just like what you took it out of. I had that bitch upside down, but yeah, go in there like that. You hear a click, my nigga. And then now you gotta place it into the thing. So that so that it fit. Something like that. Make sure that bitch work. You know what I'm saying, yeah. But I'm on taser plug though. I could do a little light show. I didn't even do that. But yeah, y'all see everything work. You know what I'm saying, damn, that shit a lot as hell. But I'ma screw these back in, and then honestly, I probably just gonna end up getting back to y'all with the finished product, because I already seen how to take the bumper off. And I said, like, this wasn't really no tutorial, bro. This is just me doing this shit. I really don't know how. I can't get an idea how it's gonna look with the black lights on there, but yeah, bro, I'm about to get back to you. I'm probably about to just finish and then get back to y'all when I throw the bumper back on and shit. Like I said, bro, it's not really no tutorial. This is me. You know what I'm saying? This is a little video, a little content. I'll probably end up doing like a POV drop after that. I hear somebody going crazy right now down there somewhere. But I'll probably give y'all a POV drive with the headlights on later tonight, just so y'all can see how they look, because they is, you know what I'm saying, darker, obviously. But I don't know, I'll get back to y'all though as soon as I throw that back on. All right, y'all boys, we done. About to show y'all the finished product, my nigga. That's what it look like right now. I'm about to, like, right now I'm finna text somebody and see if they got the black insert at least, because I can't find the SRT 8 bumper. Thing is, I have an SRT8 bumper, but it got like a little small crack in there, so I gotta get that fixed. But at least right now, I'm gonna just see if somebody got like the black grill, cause that chrome shit gotta go. This what it look like though. You know what I'm saying, I'm gonna show y'all like at nighttime what it look like with the lights on and shit like that. Cause obviously you're not gonna be able to really see it like that. I didn't. I don't know if I showed y'all, but it was like a screw way at the bottom of this headlight. I did not put that bitch back in. I ain't gonna lie, cause I know I'm gonna end up changing the headlights again, and I'm not fucking with that screw ever again, bro. I had to take off so much shit just to get that screw out. But yeah, man, y'all see the bumper. Obviously, like the fitment, I did mess up the fitment a little bit. It ain't like terrible, but I mean, it ain't really terrible. You can't really even notice it for real, but I don't know, man. I always be fucking up the fitment on my shit. Then I end up, I know I'm gonna end up swapping the parts off it, so it really don't matter. But right now I'm finna actually debadge this. I'm probably not gonna record that, but y'all probably end up seeing it later tonight in the rest of the video. But yeah, man, when it get dark outside, I'm gonna pick y'all up, man. We're gonna do a little POV drive, show y'all how it's looking, shit like that. All right, y'all boys, as y'all can see, it's nighttime. You can't see shit out here, but you know, about to give y'all a little POV drive. That's what this feel like when I unlock it. Damn, tripping. About to give y'all a slight little POV drive. Damn, the tracks on the floor is crazy. Well, no, I'm gonna start it up and then. That bitch so loud. But I'm about to show y'all the front. Hold on. All right, so I don't know how good y'all gonna be able to see it, but this is what it looked like. While they on at nighttime, I guess. I really don't know. Like, do it look different from any other lights? I really don't know. Oh, do y'all hear this motherfucker? Bro, do y'all hear that idle, bro? That idle crazy, but I'm about to give y'all a little POV drive, just probably through the neighborhood, just so y'all can like see how they look, I guess, while you driving, I guess. I mean, all right, y'all, I don't know if y'all can really see them like that. Look, the thing is, so for some reason they look like they angle hella low. Like, I don't know why. And it was the same problem when I had them on my other charger. I don't know why they look hella low like that, but I mean, shit, I don't know. Like, it just look like they angle low, and like the brights. Hold on, this what it look like with the brights on. So it ain't really, the brights ain't really nothing too crazy, but they just look like they angle kind of low. I really don't know why though. I can't really tell y'all why. I'm gonna wait till we get to the main street. I'm gonna give y'all some pulls though, but I don't know why though. Like, I'm not even finna go far. I'm literally finna go around the corner just so I can show y'all this. I don't know why though. They just look a little low. Like they just angle kind of low for some reason. Damn. Y'all hear that dude though? Oh, this motherfucker sounds so beautiful, bro. I ain't gonna lie. This sounds so beautiful. Let me roll the window down for y'all. All right, y'all boys, as y'all can see, we got the window down, man. Damn. I'm gonna give y'all like one really good pull like on this main street right here. I'm finna pull up to it. That bitch sounds insane, bro. That bitch really like crazy. Bro, y'all just dropped my fucking bro, I forgot. Oh. Bro, I forgot I had the fucking antlers on the back window. I just rolled my window down and the antler fell off. Bro, I be tripping. Here go another pull though for y'all. Yeah. But look, y'all. No cap, y'all boys. But I'm about to go ahead and end this video, man. Like, comment, subscribe, man, for them W pulls. And I'm out, bro.